What actually is a side hustle? A side hustle is a job that you can work on top of a full-time job. I told you that I work in a bank as an analyst. Yes, I also have side hustle that I do. So that's what we call a side hustle business, a business or a job that you can do outside the traditional 9 to 5 job. So some people don't even have the 9 to 5 job. They make side hustle to be their full-time job. So it's also allowed. It must not necessarily be for people that already have a job. You can also make it to be your own full-time job. But for most people, they have a full-time job and they do some job at the side. That's why it's called side hustle. You are doing a job at the side. I work in a bank as an analyst in an investment bank. But here am I teaching you this course, creating this course for you. So that's what we call side hustle. It's a classic example of side hustle. So whether you have a 9 to 5 job or you don't have a 9 to 5 job, there are different businesses in this course that are covered for you. You will learn a lot by taking this course. So, which means that you can do the job outside your 9 to 5 time. 9 to 5 simply means 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can do it in the evening. You can do it early hours of the morning or late hours of the evening. You can do it during weekends, during your holidays. You can do it. And for people that don't even have 9 to 5 job, you can do it full time. You can make it to be your 9 to 5 job. So instead of working only during weekends, you can make it your 9 to 5 job. And I will show you how to scale it to that point. It simply means entrepreneurship. You are becoming an entrepreneur. You are running a business. You have an enterprise. If you're a freelancer, you're an entrepreneur. If you're a YouTuber, you're an entrepreneur. If you make content on TikToks, you're an entrepreneur. Stop seeing it as if I'm just posting videos. No, you're already an entrepreneur. So in this course, I will expose you to entrepreneurship, the width, the length, and the height or the depth of entrepreneurship on how you can start a business and scale the business. What I covered in this course are jobs and work you can do from home or anywhere in the world. You can do it at home, you can do it in your office, you can do it in Canada, in Australia, in America, anywhere and everywhere in the world. So that's the jobs that I've covered in this course. It's not dependent on your religion, it's not dependent on your race, it's not dependent on your skin color, it's not dependent on your age, it's not dependent on your country. There are businesses that you can do all over the world. So where are you in the world? You can do it. Even when you leave your current country and travel to a different country, you can still do all these businesses that are contained in this course. So in summary, side hustle business simply means entrepreneurship, starting your own business. Not just starting your own business, but growing your own business. You will start and you grow. And our friend here is a preacher of starting your own business. Gary Vee, he makes a lot of content telling people to start their own business. So in this course, I will help you to be able to combine your 9 to 5 job and have a side hustle job. And also, if you want to convert your side hustle job to a full-time job, I will show you how you can do it. Permit me to say at this point that side hustle business is not a part-time job. I have made a course before talking about things like this. This particular course is an updated version 2.0 of the course I made before talking about side hustle for beginners. When we talk about side hustle, please take note, it is not part-time job. Part-time job are almost like a full-time job, but you do it on a part-time basis. It's like people that are doing shift. You can do a 9 to 5 job and then you sell in a retail store for 2 hours or 3 hours. That's what we call part-time job. The time are constrained. Side hustle job, there's the time are not constrained for you. You pick the time. Nobody's telling you when to work, how to work, and the duration. You are the one. You can work for 7 hours, you can work for 2 hours, you can work for 3 hours. You have the freedom of time to work as much as you want and to work as little as you want. But part-time job, the time is fixed for you. Also, for a part-time job, the tax is fixed. Your job may be to write something, keep writing something. But for a side hustle business, the tax is not fixed. You pick the tax for yourself. And for a part-time job, your salary or your wages, your earning is fixed. Your take home is fixed. But for a side hustle business, it is not fixed. You can earn $0, you can earn minus $100, and you can also earn $5,000 in one day. So what you earn is not fixed. It depends on how much profit you make. It's not dependent on a company paying you. You are the one paying yourself actually. Now, in starting a side hustle business, the key thing that I cover in this course is for you to start with little to nothing. So don't cry that you don't have any money. When I started my own side hustle business, I did not have money. So if you are crying, I don't have money, I don't have money, I will show you that what you have is already enough. So stop crying. What you have is enough. So if you have $100, perfect. What I covered in this course, if you are starting and you buy equipment and buying tools, they are not expensive. If at all you want to buy, they are less than $1,000. That's if you want to buy. Actually, you can start for free. I started my own for free. So don't be scared that I don't have any money. You don't need money. I repeat, you do not need any money to start. You can start all for free. What you will need mostly is your phone, your computer, or internet. You already have a phone. Don't you have a phone? It's enough. If you have a phone, it's enough. If you have a computer, no matter how old or how new it is, it does not count. It's enough. And again, if you have an internet connection, perfect. So you are not spending any money. And if you are spending any money, it's less than $100 or $1,000. Also, in terms of skill, don't cry that you don't have the skill. You will learn the skill. So it's just for you to have interest in an area. I will cover several businesses here. So which one do you have interest in? There are courses I've already made that you can take. There are courses on this platform, on Skillshare, on Udemy, on YouTube, you can take for free in order to start these businesses. So don't cry that you don't have the skill. It's just for you to know what's available for you and what aligns with you, what's your interest. Then you can take more courses in order to get the skill. In terms of starting course, I've explained to you that it's little to nothing. In terms of your starting cost, in terms of your skill, it's little to nothing. If you want to spend, that means you are the one that want to spend. And most times, what you're spending is less than $100. And if you are not spending at all, you can equally start. And I've given you my own example. I started my side hustle business with $0. A lot of people are asked, why do you want to start a business? You want to start a side hustle business. The question is, why do you want to start? So a survey was done asking people their motivations for opening a business. What is their motivation for opening a business? And there are different answers and reply to it as expected. Most people answer they want to be their own boss. They want to be in charge of their time, of their money. You don't want to put your money, your financial security in the hand of another person or in the hand of a company. You want to be your own boss. So this is the reason why most people start their side hustle business. They want to be their own boss. They want to be in charge of their time and their money. It's called freedom. They want to be free. Also, some people are not satisfied with the corporate American system. A good number of people are tired of their job and also impressed with how their 9 to 5 job is. This is not what they want to do for life. I have tested it and they're like, no, I'm not doing it again. So that is why they start their own business. Another reason people start their business is to pursue their passion. There's a burning passion in them. They want to release it to the world. They want to die empty. They want to have given the world their best before they die. So they are pursuing their passion. So this is the reason why people start a side hustle business. Also, people start because opportunity presented itself. So people are like, yeah, it was an opportunity I saw and I maximize it. And that's excellent. Also, some people have inspiration for new business. They're like Amazon. They discover that the world is going to use technology and internet in retail sales. And they're like, let me maximize this new opportunity. They're like Deliveroo. I can make delivery faster for people. People can be at their house and I'll deliver food to them. So I will create a business with this new opportunity. And a good number of people also start their side hustle business because they're not ready to retire. They're like, I'm 65 years old. Even though my job, I've said I can retire, but me, I'm not yet ready to retire. So I will start my own business. So a lot of people start their business because they're not ready to retire. And a good number of people also start their business because their job was a source or they were laid off, they were sacked. So there are different reasons why people are starting their own businesses. And a good number of you that will take this course, I'm sure that one of these reasons is why you are starting a side hustle business. A lot of people are here You want to earn extra cash. You want to have extra income. You want to be your own boss. You want to chase your passion. You want to be you. You want to live full. You want to be in control of your time. When to sleep, when to wake up, what to wear to work and what not to wear. So these are the reasons why people start businesses. Again, why do people start side hustle businesses? They want to live their dream. You want to live the dream life. You've seen the advert, the dream life, and you're like, no, me too, I can have the life of my dream. Also, people want minimal stress and maximum happiness, and side hustle have the potential to give you that. Some people want money and lots of money. They're like, I need money. I've seen what YouTubers are making. I've seen what podcasters are making. I've seen what celebrities are making. Me too. Me too. I want to be able to make such amount of money. And there's nothing bad in desiring to have a better life. There's nothing wrong in aiming to achieve something better. There's nothing absolutely wrong with it. That you want to have a better life, I support you. Some people want to have a fulfilling career. They're like, yes, even though I work in tech and they pay me 200K per month or per year, it's not fulfilling for me. I want something that is me, something that's more fulfilling, something that's satisfying for me. Dancing is satisfying for me. Singing is my passion. I want to have a fulfilling career. Also, some people want to be their own boss and work from the comfort of their own home. This video I'm making it in my home office or my home studio or whatever you want to call it, but I'm at home making this course for you. I am working at home. Today is even Sunday when I'm making this course. So you see, on Sunday, I'm making this course for you. I'm doing it at the comfort of my house. I can as well do it in my living room. Some people don't want to be wearing trousers, wearing suit every day to work. You have a tie at your neck because you want to do a job that may not even require a tie. So pants are optional. So people don't want to be wearing trousers to work. They want to be free. They want to wear a shirt, sit down and make content for people. They're like, it's not what I'm wearing, it's what I can offer. About 90% of freelancers plan to do it for the rest of their career. That's really a satisfying career. 90% of people want to keep doing it. They're like, I'm doing it and I want to keep doing it. Why? Because of all these reasons here. So these are the importance, the reason why people start their business and the reason why you should start your own business. I would highly encourage you to start a side hustle business. I will strongly encourage you to. Don't just take this course for watching it sake, for you to just hear, but no, take a push. Start something, especially in your 20s. Hey, it's the best time to take risk. So please take the risk and start a side hustle business. A calculated risk, of course. Also, some people want a steady, profitable business. They're like, I want something that will give me steady income, something that's profitable, not just in the short run, but in the long run. And if you want a steady, profitable business, you are welcome. This course is for you on how you can start and have a steady and profitable business. Yeah, some people want to buy their house, want to buy their car, want to buy gifts for their loved ones. They just need money to pay the children's school fees. They need money for one thing or the other. So they start a side hustle business in order to have these advantages. So these are the reasons why people start their side hustle business and why you too should start a side hustle business.